up, fellows? If you are thinking about investing in stock market or even the crypto market, then you should consider Nemo Money, and I'll leave a link in description for you to access this website. So one thing about this is that they don't have any commission fee or even monthly fee for management, and when it comes to withdrawal, you can withdraw even over $100 for free. So why should you invest in stock? So stocks are currently doing well, and with this application or website, you'll be able to gain insights on the best stocks to invest in, because they have analyzed those stocks to make sure that you get access to the right information, instead of just going there finding information but you don't know whether that information will help you in deciding whether to buy or sell a certain stock. So by investing in stock, you'll have an opportunity to earn interest and also gain capital, and also find capital gains when your stock goes higher. And why should you invest in Nemo? So with Nemo, your stock price can gain value, and that is what we call capital gains. You can also earn through dividends, and also with this you'll have access to diverse investment opportunity and trade any size from big portfolio to just $1 investment. So, and even access to 24 hours, so you can invest in the market and execute anytime, with also commission free. So you can invest without fee, zero commission on stock ETFs, and you can find more on Nemo pricing. We'll go there. And also diverse options, so choose over 6,000 stock, including 500 global giant and 2,000 ETFs, well-rounded portfolio. So you will be well informed on which stocks to invest in, and also it helps you in finding winning companies, growth opportunities, potential value picks, and also what aligns with your goals. So with also crypto, you can do it. Just come and click on markets and click on crypto. And why should you invest in crypto? Cryptocurrency is something like Bitcoin, offering groundbreaking alternative to traditional financial system dominated by powerful banks. So with crypto, you can start with any kind of investment. So one thing about Bitcoin is it is revolutionizing the way we invest, and also we are heading towards digital currency, and decentralization is now a key thing in the financial space. It's owned by the people, transaction verified and recorded by the community on the blockchain. So no one will control you, because you are the one participating in the market. So the people own the money, not the banks or the government. So with this, you can invest in the Bitcoin market also too, and you can invest in any crypto asset. So for Nemo, you can have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and they also guide you in identifying investment opportunities in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency, and you pay zero commission. So the only cost you incur is the investment that you are putting. So when you invest in crypto with Nemo, you purchase the crypto as CFD, which means contract for difference. So with crypto CFDs, you are speculating on price movement without owning the digital coin. True crypto ownership entails possessing a coin itself, and its value directly is tied to the market. So you can trade crypto here and know whether the price will go up or down. So if you predict well, you will be able to make money. So no need for crypto wallet. So with this, you avoid the complexities of setting up blockchain wallet exchanges, which is not easy, guys. Imagine trading crypto and owning a wallet, all those shenanigans, yet you can just trade and make money. So the CFD trading is regulated, offering safeguards like fund segregation and dispute resolution, unlike unregulated cryptocurrency market. So this is a regulated platform. So also you are not vulnerable to risk like theft and hacking of your crypto wallet. So, and also enjoy reduced fee compared to crypto trading, as CFDs don't involve crypto transfer. So This is easy. You can predict and place your trade, and when you hit your target, you make money. And also, when it comes to transaction, it is swift, it's fast, and this platform is swift and it can bypass any blockchain delays and diverse markets. Also, with this, you can have access to post CFDs. You will click here and come and check out this. So Nemo is a good platform that you can enjoy trading with no commission and also fees, and you can trade from small accounts to higher or bigger size portfolio. So in case you want to get started, you can check out the link in description and also go through their blog and articles so that you can learn how to make money with Nemo Money. So Nemo instantly alerts you when there is a trading opportunity that matches your goals and interests, and also no commission or competitive spread. You will enjoy that. So spread is the difference between the selling price and buying price in the market of a particular stock or even cryptocurrency. So, and you'll have access to global markets, endless opportunity to trade gold, oil, indexes, and also forex pairs like Euro USD. Trade your way any size from big trades to small trades. So in case you want to get started, we'll just click the link in description and come and explore this platform. So, and they also have their own application, so you can click on it. Just click explore. So before you open the application, you register first on their website. So for more information on this, you can check out the link in description and also subscribe to this channel in case you want to learn how you can invest in cryptocurrency and also stock and forex markets.